Pat is on $35,180 per month with his Skool community called Project Bellplex. And the Skool community is for helping people with their mobility and just exercising from home using kettlebells specifically. So this is his mechanism. And he lets people know that they don't need a ton of space or equipment. They can do this at any time. It's $45 per month, and he has a free trial turned on. So in this video, I'm going to go through the meta ads that he's running to grow his Skool community and his audience. All right, so when I come to the meta ads library, the first thing that I notice, and I love this, is he only has 2 ads running. And a lot of people think you need 10, 20, 30 ads in your campaign to see what works. Like, you don't need to do all of that. 2 ads is all he has running, and clearly this is working for him. And I'm gonna break down each of these. All right, so for this ad, I'm not gonna play the video. It's just an instructional video on one of his kettlebell exercises, but he's asking people to comment the word 20 to get 20 best favorite kettlebell complexes. So that's the lead magnet that he's using. It's these 20 best exercises, and someone comments on this Instagram video, and then it triggers a ManyChat automation, and they get the PDF with all of the exercise in it. And this is an actual post that has been on his Instagram since 2024. All right, so now let's look at the second ad.
These are my 20 best kettlebell complexes that I designed to help you build functional strength, conditioning, and mobility with minimal time and equipment. These complexes are going.
So in his hook, he's just starting off by telling people what they're going to get in this lead magnet, which is the 20 best exercises. He's not really using a call out or asking people a question to self-qualify. It's just like, this is the value. And if someone is interested in 20 really good kettlebell exercises from this dude, then they're going to continue to watch.
To give you structure, help you build consistency, and have a little fun in your workouts again. You're taught how to do all of the exercises, and your rest periods and sets are laid out for you, so you don't have to guess.
So he's just going over the value that's in the lead magnet, all the problems that these 20 exercises are going to solve for people, and it's going to be fun and easy for people.
Over 26,000 people have already downloaded this document and are using these workouts.
So he's adding that to add social proof, and to add 26,000 people is a lot.
Every day. So I know they work. They're safe, simple, effective, and most importantly, will fit into your busy schedule. So
a bunch of keywords there, making it safe, simple, and effective, easy to use, and it can fit into your schedule. So handling objections with that part as well.
If you're looking for a little more consistency and structure in your workouts, or you're a little bored of what you're currently doing, or quite frankly, just sick of thinking of everything on your own, click below to get your 20 complexes for free. I'll see you there.
Okay, so this ad is basically just talking about the value that's in this free lead magnet. All right, so if you go and click on the ad, you click on learn more, you're brought to his landing page where he has a VSL, and then he has sick of thinking of everything on your own. You get these quick scalable workouts with structure, consistency, and a little fun. It's yours for free. All you have to do is put your email address here. Then he has some social proof, and then he's helping you to qualify. This is for you if you fit into these categories, and then some testimonials to build trust, and then another call to action to add your email. So after you submit your email, you are taken to this page, and he says why you're here, and this is another VSL, and this is where he's talking about the Skool community. So he's mentioning that he's helped over 1,000 members. There's 6 full programs included, live Q&A calls, programming every 6 weeks so you never plateau or get bored. And then you can click on start the 7-day free trial, and then that brings you right to Skool. So this is the first place where I'm seeing him mention the Skool community. It's after you submit your email to get the free lead magnet. So he starts with the free value first, and then he makes the offer to you. And I'm going to check in the email if he's mentioning the Skool community in the email or not, or it's just in the lead magnet. We'll see. All right, so now this is the email that you get from Pat after you opt in for the lead magnet. So you see it's a very short email. He's actually not mentioning the Skool community here. I'm assuming this is an affiliate link to get kettlebells, and then you can get the workouts here. So in the email in this top part, he's just hyping up the lead magnet, and then he's also helping people reduce the overwhelm by letting them know if they don't know where to start, then they should start with this exercise. All right, so now you get to the lead magnet. It's a PDF, and then these are the 20 exercises that he mentioned, and these are all going to YouTube videos that are public on his YouTube channel. So now I know a lot of people tend to think that their lead magnet has to be exclusive and they can't give somebody a PDF with a bunch of links to their YouTube videos, but I want to emphasize that this still solves a problem for people because this is a form of curation. He's taking the 20 best exercises from his channel, and he may have hundreds of videos on his channel, we can find out, but he's condensing that into this PDF and giving you a summary of what each exercise is going to be. So he's helping people still, even though the videos are public on his YouTube channel, he's still saving people time, and saving people time is still valuable. And then he has one more video answering like frequently asked questions. And then at this point, he starts to mention the Skool community again. So this is now the second time that he mentioned Skool community where someone could start their free trial. Only thing I want to call out with the lead magnet is that it feels bloated. I think the lead magnets that I've seen do really well. They are concise and they solve a simple problem for people. Like someone can just take it and install it right away and get a result relatively quick. With this, if someone were to go through all of this, I'm not sure how long all of these content pieces are, but it's definitely a lot for people to go through. And I think it could just be less cluttered. Like if he shrunk this down maybe to 5 of the best, that's just my 2 cents. Overall, I just feel like it's a lot of information. There's 20 different videos, and then this additional video, and even here, like it's bloated. You don't really want to have too many paragraphs in your lead magnet. You sort of want to make it skimmable and easy for people to consume. But this is clearly working for Pat. So he actually has more than 100 videos. He has 1,200 videos on his YouTube channel. So again, being able to strip out 20 of the best exercises from 1,200 videos is valuable. And in all of his videos, his description is 1 line long, is telling people about the 7-day free trial. All right, these are my takeaways from looking at Pat's ad funnel. First thing, he only has 2 ads running. Absolutely love this. Having less ads actually allows the learning to compound faster with Meta because all of your budget will be going to 1 or 2 places. It won't be scattered across 30 different ads. 2, he only has 1 offer, right? So it's 20 exercise videos from his YouTube channel, and that is his offer that he's sending people to. You can get it either through Instagram, where you can comment, and then he'll send you the link to that landing page, or you can go straight to the landing page, but either way, the ads are going to 1 offer. And he's sending people to either, like I mentioned, his landing page or his Instagram, and nothing is going directly to Skool. So before people get to his Skool community, they're receiving some sort of value from him, either from his content or from that lead magnet, which is just a curated PDF of his content. And then the last thing that I want to call out is that he's building a list and an audience that he can retarget, right? So with emails, he can nurture people. Of course, they're giving him permission to contact them, and he can continue to send emails to them mentioning the Skool community. Same for his engagers, right? In Meta, you can take people that have commented on your post and show ads only to those people, and you won't be showing your ads to any strangers. So he has the ability to retarget in multiple different ways. So this is the flow. He's going to collect the email, and then immediately he's going to mention the free trial as soon as you press submit. And then he's going to email the lead magnet to you, and that shares the 20 YouTube videos. All of those videos mention the free trial in the description, and also in his bio, he has the free trial mentioned there. And then at the end of the lead magnet, he'll mention the free trial again. And he also has your email for ongoing nurture. Now you can see how simple this is, right? To be making $35,000 per month with this. The ads are going to 1 of 2 places, either directly to Instagram or straight to the landing page. And if the ads are sending people to Instagram and they comment to receive the 20 videos, then they're sent again to this landing page. On this landing page, he collects the email address and he sends you the lead magnet. And in the lead magnet, you're sent to YouTube. And from YouTube, there's thousands of call to actions to join the Skool community. Now, you might look at this and think it's a complex funnel before someone gets all the way down here to the Skool community. But if you remember, at each of these points, there's call to actions for people to join the Skool group. There's either a soft CTA or a hard CTA. So like on Instagram, his bio has the Skool community there. That's a soft CTA. And then here, as soon as you submit your email address, it's a hard CTA with a VSL telling people to join the group, sign up for the free trial. He gets your email and then immediately sends you the PDF. And at the end of the PDF, there's a call to action again to the Skool community. So now these are 2 hard CTAs and a soft CTA up here. All of his videos have CTAs in the description, and his bio has a CTA to Skool community. So throughout this process, there's so many times for people to decide if they want to sign up. And this is just one pass, right? So if anyone subscribes to his YouTube channel from the PDF, then they're going to constantly be reminded about his Skool. If anyone engages with his Instagram content or follows him, or they're retargeted by him because they engaged with his content, then they're going to be reminded about the Skool community. So this is a whole ecosystem, and it's actually really straightforward. I like it, and it's making $35,000 per month. So shout out to Pat. Now, if there's any other Skool communities that you find that are doing well, let me know in the comments, and I'll break them down just like this.